This video shows you how to use data assets from a catalog in a Watson Studio project. Start by browsing the catalog. You can choose an asset using the filters or searching for an asset by name. Select the asset and add it to a project. Select the project name and click Add. Navigate to your project to see the asset in the list of data assets. Another way to add catalog assets to a project is through the Files slide-out panel. Select the Catalog tab. If you have more than one catalog, you can select the correct catalog from the list. Search for an asset, select one from the search results, and add it to the project. If the asset is a connected data asset stored in an external data source, such as Cloud Object Storage or DB2 Warehouse, then you'll see that both the asset and a connection to the external source will be added to the project. Now you can use the asset with other elements in the project, such as a notebook. In the notebook, you'll see the asset in the Files slide-out panel. From here, you can use the Insert to Code function to load the data for analytics. Find more videos in the Cloud Pak for Data as a Service documentation.